Say goodbye to stinky washer, how to sanitize and remove odors. Are you tired of dealing with a stinky washer? Well, fear not. In today's video, we'll show you how to sanitize and remove odors from your washing machine. How do you know if your washing machine has a bad odor? Look out for musty-smelling clothes, a bad odor coming from the machine, or visible mold growth. Let's talk about the solution: vinegar and baking soda. Vinegar is a natural cleaner and disinfectant, while baking soda is a deodorizer. They'll work wonders on your stinky washer. First, run your machine with a cup of vinegar on the hottest setting to remove buildup. Then, add half a cup of baking soda and run a long cycle with hot water to deodorize and sanitize. Congratulations! You've successfully removed the odors from your washing machine. Remember to repeat this process every 3 months to keep your machine smelling fresh and clean. Do email or leave a comment under the video if it was helpful, and don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get alerts when I post new videos. You can also share the link to help friends and colleagues.